Oh hell, I don't think I had a big goddamn car. Shit, what to do there, y'all? I was just out there checking. You know, he got this guy that down pilot trying to goddamn check to see if he got on that goddamn list of that damn reserve parking. A lot of these goddamn truck stop man they going hand with all this goddamn reserve parking shit. You know? Yeah. A lot of truck drivers need a place to goddamn park. You know what I'm saying? We be out of hours, shit. That ELD shit, they fucked up a lot of goddamn drivers sleep time, you know? You know, shit. You can't really goddamn regulate that shit, you know what I'm saying, all that. Yeah, it make a lot of motherfuckers move. But I'm like this though. I mean, if it that damn, see, they making that goddamn move. If it that damn serious shit, I go pay for the parking. You know what I mean? Shit. That guy does. He see that man that move. He think he finna head up. You know, shit. But yeah. But yeah, man. But yes, yeah. But that shit crazy. They need to be a lot of these goddamn truck stop for more down trucking parking. Build these goddamn truck stop for parking. We gonna spend the money. You know what I'm saying? We gonna spend the money. You just have us a fucking parking. Yeah. It ain't COVID, goddamn, ever smoking. But yeah. But yeah, man, that shit that crazy, dog. But yeah. We drive you tired. We didn't get around 6, 7 o'clock. I can get scared. The old days, you know what I mean? We just got down, turn back the damn time. We got down here, this shit. You can't do that. That shit start when you first wake up in the morning. 14 hours. Hey y'all. Y'all be good. I'll be back.